Welcome to today's webinar session. And the topic is syncing lead and contacts to email marketing tools with Kailas. And the session is being conducted by Tushar Pinte. Over to Tushar.
Hey, hello everyone. This is Tushar Pinte. I'm a business analyst in Kailas, and today's webinar is all about syncing the Kailas leads and contacts to email marketing tools such as Mailchimps and Mailjets. Let me share my screen. Please let me know once my screen is visible. Uh, there are lots of organization and small businesses which are using different types of marketing tools like Mailchimp or Mailjet to trigger the bulk notification to their subscribers. So what happens generally? Any customer visit your website and you must have integrated one of the lead capturing form to your website. They just fill this form and submit the form, and once customer click on this form, click on the submit button, the one subscription gets created in your account. So like this, you will get the subscribers from your lead capturing form, right? So what you do, with the help of these marketing tools, you just get extracted that subscribers list and import in your marketing tools. If you see in case of Mailchimp, there's a add contact option. Okay, and if you click on import context, you can just import in a CSV or Excel file. Uh, so that's how you get all the leads, and once you get all the leads of the subscribers, you just trigger a marketing campaign on every subscriber's email ID. So every subscriber will receive your marketing email. Once you get all the subscribers list in the your marketing tool, you can run your marketing campaign through these applications or tools. Okay, so how Kailas will help you to accumulate all the list of subscribers? So let me come to this point. You first go to Kailas application, web application, and once you log in the application, you will see this is the home page. We have built one marketplace applications for this marketing tools. For that matter, you just go to Kailas marketplace, and there is bulk email sync. Just click on the application. As of now, I have already installed this application. You must have to install this application if you are first time user. Once you install the application, in the installed application, you will see this bulk email sync. Just go to view details. And there is a API key tablet. Okay. So you must enter your Kailas API key into the application. Where do you receive this API key? Just go to Kailas setting. First Kailas sales. There is a setting option. If you scroll down, there is a API key. Just copy this API key and paste it over here, and you are ready to use this application. Once you enter this API key and save it, just go to connected accounts. You must connect your Mailchimp or a Mailjet account to with the bulk email sync application. Okay, so just click on connected account, enter name whatever you want, select your vendor. As of now, we are supporting Mailjet and Mailchimp, but we will introduce more tools as well. So let's say I have selected Mailchimp. It asks me to enter my Mailchimp API key. And where do I find this? Just I just go to MailChimp account, and in the profile section there's an account and billing, right? In the extras I will find API keys. If I scroll down, I have already generated one API key. If I haven't generated any API key, just click on create a key and you will receive a one key. Just copy this key and paste in your application. If you save this account, your account will be connected. As of now, I have already connected. Let me show you how what I have done. So this was my account. If I go to edit section, all the fields are similar. I have given a name, I have selected a vendor, and I have entered my API key. And that's it. In case of Mailjet, it asks you to enter API secret key, which will be available in your Mailjet account. Once I connect my account, I go to sync strategy. Okay, and if I click on add sync strategy, I can give a name like lead and contact sync. I will select my vendor. As of now, I have already only I have connected only one account, so it's showing me only one account. Whatever list are available on my MailChimp account will be visible here. I will select uh, list. I can select what entity I want to sync in my marketing tool. So if I click on both, let's say lead and contact, in a lead tab, I will select the field which I want to pass. Let's say first name I want to pass. So these are the Kailas fields and these are the MailChimp fields. Let's say I want to pass last name as well. Email I don't need to map because there's tools already using email ID. So there must be email ID associated with one of the entity like lead or contact. Then only this will be synced. Otherwise it will fail. Same for a contact. If I select a contact tab, same mapping I have to do here, and I will save this. If you see, I have already connected my, I have created a sync strategy. Let me show you what I have done. So this is same. The vendor is MailChimp. The list is same. I have checked lead and contact. I have mapped those first name, last name, and phone numbers to sync. And in contact, I have mapped last name and city. So this was about tenant admin account. If you want to add your users, just go to manage users and add user. Okay, give your user a name, enter his email ID, and what role you want to assign him, as a member or admin. Let's say we are assigning as a member. Which user I want to map with. These are all the Kailas users. As of now, in this account, I have only one user which is active. If there would be more user, then all the users list will be visible here. Once I select user and save it, this user with this email ID will receive an email for activation. Once he click on activation, then this restricted user will be allowed to use this application as well with the same setting that tenant has done.
To achieve here, we are trying to synchronize our Kailas with
Yes.
the MailChimp.
Yes, we are trying to sync all the leads and contacts that we are getting in Kailas, and we are syncing those contacts and leads in your bulk email tools. So you can trigger your marketing campaign through that tools.
Okay.
We don't need to map email ID separately. It automatically fetch your email ID. If any lead is we don't have any email ID on particular lead. then it will throw error.
So, so that means that one particular field of that MailChimp has to be mapped to the
Yes.
email ID field of Kailas.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that has to be done. Then only, otherwise, how will it know where to fetch the email ID from? Okay.
Yes. It automatically fetch the email ID. If let's say
Yeah, it
this
will keep
is
looping through the records and searching. You know what, which is the
yes.
one that gets, it takes that like
Yes.
that.
Yes. Yes. So let's say these are the leads having email ID on it, right? So I don't need to separately map this email ID field with MailChimp field. It automatically takes this and create a log. Okay. So gets back to the track. So this was about the sync strategy. Let me go through once again on the list page, lead listing page, okay, of a
Okay.
Kailas.
Okay.
I'm creating a new lead. Let's say demo lead. I'm adding a email. I'm adding a phone number as well. Once I click on save, you can see lead has generated in the system on a lead listing page. Okay. So I want that all the leads that has been generated in the system should be passed to MailChimp account. So I can trigger my marketing campaign on an email ID from directly MailChimp. Okay. So this was the lead that I have created, demo2, and demo2@gmail.com was the email ID. If I go to my bulk email sync application and click on a sync logs, there is a lead having email ID demo2@gmail.com, and it has synced successfully. So whenever we get success status, it pass to our MailChimp account. So let me refresh this page. Can you see demo2@gmail.com has been synced successfully, and the mobile number is also we have first name and last name. So this is how whenever I'm getting a lead in a Kailas, with the help of bulk email sync, I'm fetching all the leads from Kailas to my MailChimp account. As of now, we don't support triggering a marketing campaign through Kailas. If you get all the lead listing or contact listing, you can trigger your marketing campaign through my MailChimp or MailJet account. So basically how you are doing right now. But what we are avoiding here is that you don't need to like export all the leads from the Kailas and import all the contacts in your MailChimp account with the help of CSV file. Whenever you are getting lead in Kailas, we will pass through that application to your MailChimp account. That is what we are doing here. Dropping our support mail ID at the support@kailas.io. If you face any query about product or any feedback you want to share, you can share on this mail ID and our team will get back to you soon. So I think we can wrap up this session. Uh, thank you very much for webinar. Let's meet on the next Wednesday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.